Welcome to our QuickLabel QL-850 tech support video tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to replace the printhead and the maintenance wiper roller. The wiper roller is responsible for cleaning the printhead. Therefore, it's highly recommended to replace the wiper roller when you replace the printhead. It's best to have a new and clean printhead with a clean wiper roller, and not a dirty roller. To start, open the QL-850 maintenance utility from the desktop or by going to your Start menu. Then go through all programs until you find the QuickLabel QL-850 maintenance utility. Click on the Part Replacement tab. We're replacing the printhead before we swap out the maintenance roller, so we'll select Printhead from the maintenance utility for now. If you're only replacing the maintenance roller, select Maintenance Roller from the maintenance utility. You can also forward the video to the section where we replace the maintenance roller. Select Printhead, click Next, and then follow the wizard. At this point in time, the ink will be removed from the printhead and the ink lines. Wait for the process to finish. Also, the maintenance assembly will move to the back of the unit to allow you to replace the wiper roller. Once the ink lines are empty, the printhead latch will open. Open the printhead latch completely. Hold the printhead from both sides, rotate it toward the back of the printer, and then lift it up and remove it from the printer. Open your new printhead. Remove the protective tape. Make sure to hold it from the plastic to avoid touching any of the contacts. Remove the front piece of plastic and discard it as well. Insert the printhead at a slight angle, the same way you removed the old one. Press it down, and then rotate the printhead toward the front of the printer. You'll feel it click into place. Then close the printhead latch. Now let's replace the wiper roller. Ensure you wear protective gloves to avoid any ink getting onto your hands. Hold the maintenance assembly with one hand, and with the other hand, press and push the maintenance roller. Open your new maintenance roller, and then remove the blue plastic from the roller. Insert the side with the gear first, making sure that it fits in correctly, and then push the other side so it fits into place. Click Next and continue. And that's it. Now you know how to replace your printhead and your maintenance wiper roller. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our online playlist. If you have any questions, please call tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com. Thank you and have a great day.